Aren't you?
Should we do it again? You have to pass me your camera.
Oh, but. Right, come this way. Oh! You did!
You did 3 steps. Are we ready?
Pull your jeans up a bit.
Should we do that again?
Ready?
Just 1 minute.
Walk to Daddy.
Come on, sweetheart. That's it. Keep going. Come on. That's a
Get
good
your
girl.
balance. Get your balance.
Come on, then. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. You're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Mwah. Mwah. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. And back to Catherine.